Well, here we are, another beautiful day in Quartzsite, Arizona. Honestly, I don't really know how long I've been here. I think it's been 4 days. I kind of lost track of time, which is great. I love when I don't know what day it is. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out of here. I feel like I just need to move and find somewhere else. I feel like I want to be by water. I'm kind of having this craving to be camped by water, and I know that's possible around here. The Colorado River does run pretty near here, so I'm gonna do some Googling and see what I can find, what kind of areas I can find, and I just want to be camped like right by water for a little bit. Let me go ahead and get things organized, break down the shower tent, and start thinking about heading out here. All right, here we go. Moving on. I was kind of thinking about, as I was loading up the van, there's a lot of really neat parts of this whole lifestyle that of course I enjoy. But setting up camp and breaking down camp, I actually really enjoy that process. I get in this mindset that I guess I'm just really like conscious of what I'm doing as a whole. Like, wow, this process of loading up this van and moving on to the next spot is kind of the definition of nomadic life. Well, I got a pretty decent drive ahead of me this morning, probably a good 2.5 hours, possibly 3. I'm hoping about 2.5. I really don't like to do more than that in a day. But yeah, I woke up this morning and just really felt like I need to be by water. So I'm pretty sure I found a spot where I can camp right on the water's edge. It's kind of a lake off the Colorado River in Nevada. So I'll be moving out of Arizona and into Nevada. Well, we're gonna hit up the Quartzsite city dump here. They have funny hours. It's open Sunday to Wednesday, 7:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Wow, busy. Okay, we are ready to roll. Trash is dumped. Tried to get water at the water filling station in town, and it either needs to be serviced or something, because it was just taking my quarters and not giving me any water. Windy today. Fortunately, I'm heading north, and that seems to be the direction the wind is blowing, so I'll have a tailwind. That might help with my gas mileage. And away we go. We're going through your guys' favorite thing here, the agricultural inspection. Lake Havasu, you too. She caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting where are you coming from. South? I don't know. Now we're rolling into Nevada. Looks like we're about 15 miles out of Laughlin. Well, here we are coming into Laughlin, Nevada. Now, Laughlin is basically just hotels and casinos right on the Colorado River. Pretty small little town, city. All right, well, we pulled into the Riverside Casino. And there are a lot of RVs here. Holy. Wow. Like a village. And it is very windy today and very warm. It's supposed to be a big cool down tomorrow though. High today, well, warm for this time of year. I think it's 75. God, this is a trip. Look at all these RVers. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, I guess I gotta try to find a spot, I guess. All right, we're gonna call that a spot, I guess. This is it, guys. This is the view out the window tonight. Crazy. Well, here we are, waking up at the casino. It was what was to be expected. It actually wasn't as noisy as I thought it would be here. Of course, I am parked right by the road. I'm not quite sure why I did that. I don't know why. It just felt more comfortable back here. So yeah, no problems at all. They do allow parking. I did find a sign here that says you can park here up to 14 days, which is pretty cool. Most casinos, I don't know, it just seems pretty RV friendly here. So just hanging out. As you can see, it is extremely windy here. It has been since I pulled in yesterday. You can see those palm trees blowing pretty good. I'm just getting some coffee going. All right, we're pulling out of Riverside Casino. This was an interesting experience overnight here. I actually kind of had fun. I did spend a lot of time editing my latest video and getting it uploaded, but I did go into the casino and get dinner last night. They have a fat burger, which I had never had before. It was actually really good, and I'm assuming they had special pricing because it was in a casino, because it was quite expensive. I think it was $15 for burger and fries, but it was very good. Look at this though, this RV village. Looks like there's a security guy up here talking to some folks. They might be parked up too close up front there. I don't know. I'm looking across the street here. It looks like this Riverside Casino does have an actual RV park with hookups. Don't know the price, but if you don't need the hookups, you can come over here and park for free for 14 days. So I'm gonna drive about 5 miles to a Safeway grocery store. Found one about 5 miles from here. Stock up on groceries, double check my water jugs. And then
turn left.
Whoa, that was loud. We'll be heading to my camp. And I think the camp is only about 10 miles from here. Looks like we're crossing back into Arizona. The Colorado River here that we're going over on this bridge is pretty much the state line for this section between Nevada and Arizona. So it looks like this Safeway is actually in Bullhead City, which is just across the bridge here. All right, we stocked up on groceries here at the Safeway. I actually like Safeway grocery stores. We got a nice selection, decent prices. Got a decent line of organic stuff, which is cool. All right, we are going back over the river into Nevada again. That's fun. It's really only about 9 miles to this camp from right in Laughlin, but there's quite a bit of dirt road, I believe, so it's going to be about a half-hour drive. Nice to see it's cleared up. We're coming up on our turn here. I believe we're going to be losing our cell signal. Like I mentioned, I'm kind of looking forward to that. It'd be nice to unplug for a few days. Looks like we're going to be cutting through these hills here. There are a ton of videos on YouTube about this place. There is a 7-day limit. It is a highly regulated campground. They got vault toilets, and there are rangers that come in daily to make sure you're not there longer than 7 days. You know, it is pretty heavily used from what I understand, mostly on the weekends from locals. Big kind of weekend party spot. So I'm showing up at the beginning of the week. Hopefully there'll be a space available. This is right on a little lake cove off the river, the Colorado River. There's trees along the water's edge. It's kind of sounding like paradise, so I hope it works out. Wow, look at this view, looking over Laughlin there. Wow. How cool is this? Wow, this is awesome. Well, that is quite a sight right there. Wow. Ah, look at the big trees along the edge there. Wow. Well, I really don't need to be by a tree. I don't need shade. It's pretty darn cool. Wow, you can be like right on the water's edge. Look at this. 7-day limit. Launch access. They do have a boat ramp. Looks like they have 2 maybe. Looks like there's a couple vault toilets as well. Wow, big trash dumpster. Pretty fancy. I'm just gonna snag this spot right here. Looks level. The coots. These are the American coot, the little black birds. Okay, let's check it out. Well, I don't think words are really necessary for this one, guys. Check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're all doing well out there. We'll be giving a little bit more information on this awesome campsite in an upcoming video. Till then, take care, guys. We'll see you very soon. Peace.